Utilizing the main dining service area allows for me to start tabs at tables. First, I tap on the table I would like to start the order. From here, I'm going to tell the system how many guests I'm going to have. In this example, we'll say 4. You can see I actually have 2 buttons I can hit: Update and Start Tab. Start Tab will allow for me to turn the order into a tab and adding a name to it or securing the transaction with a credit card. Otherwise, I can tap Update. Now that I'm at the order screen, for an order from main dining, you'll see whenever I ring in an item, a window appears asking me to select the position the item is going to. This is helpful for eliminating auctioneering when the food is being delivered to the table by assigning and associating certain seats with certain positions. Additionally, at the end of the order, if we wanted to split the check, positioning makes it easier to make that split. Now, if I return to the service area screen, you can see that this table is now occupied because it is red. If I do a long press on the table, you can see I have a few different options. 1, I can transfer the table to a different server, or I can merge the table with another table. I can start a tab with the table and transfer it to a tab. Lastly, I can also force close the order if I no longer need it anymore.